first, like today's like agenda is like SAP Business Suite. Okay.
Okay.
Next, we'll go with an PM introduction part. Next, followed by organizational structure of plant maintenance and a little bit of like PM overview, and again like organization structure in detail. Next, like what is SAP PM system all about, and plant maintenance master data overview of that. Okay, and we'll have a at last like we'll have a Q&A session. Okay, if any doubts, like you can interfere and you can ask me in middle. Fine.
Sounds good.
Yes. Now we'll go with an SAP Business Suite. What is like SAP? First of all, stands for. We can't call it as in like SAP. Don't pronounce it as a SAP. Always like you tell as SAP. Okay, because it got an abbreviation that like S stands for systems, A applications, and products in data processing. Okay. And what is like SAP Business Suite? First of all, like it's a bundle of business applications that provide integration of information and processes and collaboration, industry specific functionality and scalability. Where like SAP become famous is like it gives industry specific functionality and scalability. Okay, take like in which industry are you working?
Oil field.
What product? Like it is an product based company?
Yes, Python.
Okay, example say we can take like different kinds of industries like chemical industry, like steel industry or paint manufacturing industries. Okay,
Yeah.
oil and gas, these are the
Yeah.
big industries. Look, okay,
Yeah.
and SAP gives all like like industry specific functionality and scalability. Okay, scalability in the sense like based on the volume we can increase and decrease. Okay, based on the requirement it will be. And functionality, of course, it is a specific for the particular industry, as I mentioned, like chemical, paint, oil and gas, steel industries. Okay, a different kind of industries. And this SAP Business Suite is based on SAP's technology platform called NetViewer. Okay, how we are learning SAP PM, like plant maintenance module, one of the module of SAP. Okay, the same way the technical people will learn the SAP NetViewer. Okay, it's a just brief, no need to like worry about all this terminologies, it will be a new for you, but like just you can go through all these things. Okay, how it works and what and all like softwares. SAP NetViewer is a software again like stack for many of SAP SE's applications. What is this SAP SE? It's a company. Okay, company name SAP SE. They provide this SAP. Okay, all like consultancy companies has to get the license from them and go for the implementation for any product-based companies. Right? The SAP NetViewer application server, sometimes referred to as web as. It is referred to then web as also. Is the runtime environment for the SAP applications, and all of the My SAP Business Suite runs on SAP web as. Okay, what it includes of what all those applications? Again, like supplier relationship management, customer relationship management, supply chain management, product lifecycle management, enterprise resource planning, transportation management, SEMI. Have you heard about all this? Any of related one, at least?
Yeah.
Not like SAP,
Yes.
in general, I'm
Yeah.
talking about. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, like customer relationship management, it will be like related
Correct.
to the customer, supply chain management. Okay,
Yes.
logistics related thing, product lifecycle management, it is like related to the products and it's a
Yeah.
design thing. Okay, enterprise resource planning, ERP software, correct? And transportation management system, as name suggests, it's related to the transportation, correct? Like what we are learning, like that is SAP PM at consultant level. Okay, there will be two things you should keep in mind. One is like end user, another one is in consultant level. Correct, we are at like consultant level. Okay,
Yeah.
we should go for like we should configure certain things. Can you tell like any mobile application what you use for money transfer or something like that?
For SAP?
No, in general.
No.
No, what do you use to transfer? Any app like you use to transfer money?
Oh yeah, e-transfer. We use bank e-transfers.
E-transfer, right?
Wireless, yeah.
Means with like you are a end user of it, correct?
Yeah, I'm end user, correct.
Yes, that is called like SAP PM also, like end user means who is using that day in day out activities and all will be performed by the maintenance engineer like you, and he'll enter the data in the system. He's an end user. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
who configures it? Those people are called like consultants. Okay.
Yes.
In SAP PM perspective. Okay. We are
Yeah.
at that level, consultant level. Correct?
Yeah.
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 What are the different modules like will be there in ERP, enterprise resource planning, which it gives like complete solution for any industry. Okay, that ERP software developed by the German company. As I said, SAP SE company, its name is SAP SE. Earlier there were different names, now it is SAP SE. Okay, European societies. SAP SE means. SAP ERP incorporates the key business functions of an organization. What are the key business functions? There could be like finance related, it could be like plant maintenance, material management, logistics, transportation, okay, finance and control, all those stuff. So different modules. We are learning PM, plant maintenance module. The latest version of the SAP for SAP
Yeah.
ERP version 6 was released in 2016. Okay, in this there will be a package, enhancement packages. Okay, that package is 8. In
Okay.
interview they may ask like on what version you have worked. Then what
Yeah.
will be your answer?
Version 8. Package
No,
8.
version 6. You should tell like version 6, enhancement
Oh,
package 8.
and that the package 8 is the latest one, but package 6 is the one that I worked on. Yes, I get you. Yes.
No, this is package 8 and version will be the 6 only. Okay, that's in software, like I'll show you where to check that version.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
6.0 was released. Okay.
Yeah. And like SAP ECC technical components, there will be 2 technical components for this. So like one is ABAP and NetWeaver. NetWeaver, you know what it is. Again, like it's a software stack for many of SAP SE's application. This is the stack. How we are learning SAP PM, like technical consultants, like therefore SAP NetWeaver software. Okay, if any issues related to this, they will take care. And ABAP, like how we are learning again PM module, there will be an ABAP consultants, technical consultants. Okay, it's a business language, coding language, or mandatory to implement this. Okay, softwares. Why it is required? The ABAP component in SAP ECC supports all types of custom development that are unique to a company. Okay, anything like see normally standard and all everything it will be provided by the SAP. When we are going for the custom, means it should be with respect to the industry specific. Okay, earlier like I said, right, industry specific. Example, say your company will be following certain business process. Okay, some XYZ. Okay, to that this software, particular software logic should match. Then that time you should go with the use of this ABAP. We are going to achieve that. Okay, companies use this ABAP component to develop new customized reports or specific reporting formats to cater to legal or financial reporting. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll give a small example. You are aware of the Amazon, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll know the invoice format, how it looks like of Amazon.
No.
Some format, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, left side some name will be there and above like number, name, and your component
Yeah.
ID, all those stuff, correct? You take some other online one. Okay, name any online of your country, example, and you compare that invoice.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is that? Any other one? Some card.
Apple.
Apple. Example, say of that invoice, whether it is the same.
Would
The
Amazon
format it will be a bit of different, correct?
Yeah.
Everything means there you are using your customized reports as per the particular company. Okay, if you are developing this particular software, particular report for Amazon, it will be different. And when you're coming to some other company, it's Apple, it will be different, correct? Specific reporting formats to cater to legal or financial reporting with respect to that. European standards reporting will be different. Americans will be different. Germans will be different. Indians will be different.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, legal department means as per the requirement, you are going to develop that reports. So for that, what will be used? ABAP.
Okay.
Okay. This is the programming language.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is the used, and there will be a separated team for this technical concern. technical consultant. With whom help they will do it? With the functional consultants. We have to help them. We have to guide them what exactly they require. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Next, what this ERP consists of. Again, like I'll stress, ERP is an enterprise resource planning software developed by the German company. It incorporates the key business functions of an organization. So what are the key business functions are there of an organization? What all modules are consist with this respect to ERP? Okay, financial accounting, control, asset accounting, sales and distribution, material management, production planning, quality management, project systems, plant maintenance module. Okay, only there are many other modules, only few modules like I have written over here. Okay, in coming classes, like I'll mention everything, what all there. Okay, next, like human resources, warehouse management, etc. There are so many, and we are learning this plant maintenance. Are you aware of any finance accounting? Can you tell about this? What is related to this in a company?
Financial, I guess it would be the invoice for
Yes, all like
bill of material.
yeah, exactly. Like finance related thing means money matters, money related things.
Yeah.
Okay, budget, all those stuff like sales and distributions. Any idea about this?
We got a lot. We got to get our materials, so that'd be distribution, right?
You're going to sell it.
Yeah.
Okay, you are going to sell that product. Okay, if it is a manufacturing company, you are going to sell that. Correct.
Yeah.
If you're manufacturing, example, say some motor or transformer. Okay, you're manufacturing certain transformer. You want to sell that. For that, the sales and distribution is related to. Material management, just now you said it's you want to buy certain things. Okay, purchase it. Okay, you want to maintain certain inventory. Then like that is material management. It's all related. Okay, in coming classes, like we'll see in detail all these like modules. Then production planning. What is this production planning? It's related to the production. The day-in-day activities, like who works on the production thing. Example, say certain today, like I have to manufacture some 100 vehicles, motorcycles, or motors or transformers. Okay, it's a production thing, correct?
Right.
For them, this SAP PM PP module is there. Quality management. Any light on this?
Yeah. For
quality management.
quality. Yeah. When I have to go walk down, I guess for me it'd be creating a work order. So would that be one of them?
Example, say you are going to manufacture your mobile. Example, say you purchased your mobile, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, how can you say that is like without defect?
Oh, you gotta check if the quality is good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, who does that? Who does that? While coming out of the, yeah, it's this quality department, quality management. Okay, once it passes that, then it goes like out for the selling. Correct. It has to pass this test, QC test. Yeah. For them, like it is, this module is related. Project systems, this is related like any new project is coming up. Okay, they should use like certain module, correct? For this, like project systems module is used. And who does the maintenance activities? And they want to record their maintenance activities, day in, day out maintenance activities in a plant. For them, this is the module which we are learning now. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
And human resources, HR module. What is this? Any idea?
Human resource people that look after the hiring package, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. The job.
Okay. Recruitment. Okay.
Yeah.
Attendants, like all those like human resources, like employees working in the company. Okay, it's related to the HR.
Yes.
And warehouse management. What is this?
Warehouse management, the people that receive stuff, material and
material, storage. Okay, yeah, all those stuff, inventory and all storage, that is related to the warehouse management. Okay. Yeah,
Correct.
this like we'll see later, this implementation of the project. Okay. Now the SAP examples, like they became famous when they released this product, R3 product. Okay. R signifies here real-time system and 3
Yeah.
represents 3-tier architecture. Okay.
Okay.
What are those things that we'll see now? R stands for real time.
Real
Okay.
time.
Real time. What is that real time? Any idea about this?
At the moment, what's happening of the planet? Right at the moment.
Real time. Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'll give a like normal layman example. Example, say, from where do you anytime like withdraw your cash?
Royal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some machine.
Sorry.
From where you withdraw your cash?
Royal Bank.
Electronic.
Yes.
Electronic bank.
Yeah.
Something like that. Correct.
Correct.
Yeah. You swipe your card over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Example, say you have a balance of some $1,000.
Yes.
Okay. And you want to withdraw. Withdraw 1,000.
Yeah.
I'll tell like cash in that. And what will be your balance?
$0.
0. Correct.
Correct.
Soon after your drawing, example, say like within a seconds, again you'll swipe your card. Okay. Can you withdraw again like 1,000? Is it possible?
No.
Yeah. What time? Like within what time? Like you can withdraw again like 1,000?
Once I put money in back.
Only money is back. That's it. Correct.
Correct.
Because and within what like fraction of seconds like this gets this particular balance
Real.
gets 0.
Yeah.
Very less time. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not even like you can't count that. You cannot do certain things. So that is called like your real time always.
Real time. Yeah.
Yes, it will get updated.
Correct.
If you go for the different location, also you cannot do it. Okay, the same location, if you like swipe your card and withdraw and again like you want to swipe your card, no, the balance will be 0. Correct.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. This whatever updation is there, okay, this it will
Okay.
get updated in very less than your nanoseconds. Okay, that is called like real time update.
Real time.
Yeah.
Yes.
When they released, like SAP released this real time, that time this became famous. Earlier, like there were so many softwares like Oracle, PeopleSoft, okay, Tally.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, many other softwares, but SAP became famous when they released this R3. Okay.
When did they release the R3?
R3 in 2003.
2003. Oh, that's what they call it. R3. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now also certain people will call like R3. Now it has been changed to ECC. They'll call like ECC.
What do they call it?
ECC.
ACC?
ECC. Enterprise Resource Planning Central Component. E means ERP. Okay. You can call.
Yeah.
Okay. In coming classes, I'll teach like a bit of HANA also. It's a new one.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now we'll concentrate on this 3-tier. What are those 3-tier? First, like I'll go for your user like GUI. Okay. What is this GUI? Graphical user interface. Next is application layer. Database layer. You said like you didn't use any SAP, correct?
I've been around it. I haven't used none though. But my job I'm going to be using.
You're familiar with this screen?
I know some of it. Yeah, a little bit of it. Like I've been watching a lot of videos. I
Okay,
have a video that I've been
no
watching.
issues.
So.
Yeah. Are you aware of any transaction codes, T codes?
I know some. Yes, I do. I know one. It's called IW3. IW3 is one of them.
IW?
IW21, and that's
Yeah.
notification.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Yeah, there is a like create notification. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
crazy.
Yes, nice. Okay, the thing is, see why I'm asking you this. This is the screen which you can see, correct?
Yeah, I could see. Correct.
Okay, where you can interact with the SAP
Yeah, I
module.
could see.
Like what you are entering over here, IW21 example.
Okay.
Where you are entering that. That is, you are entering on this GUI, graphical user interface. Okay,
And
this is your graphical user interface. You are the user.
Yes.
Okay, you are interfacing you. Okay, what you have entered now? IW21. What will open when you will enter like IW21? Example, say some create notification.
Yeah.
Okay, don't bother about this. This
Yeah.
is for the example purpose I'm talking about.
Okay.
Why this is opened? Some program must be written. When you are entering this IW21, some program must be written. Okay, so that this like create notification happens. Correct. Example, say instead of this IW21, I'll enter IW22. Then what happens? Some change notification will open. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is see here change notification. Instead of IW21, IW21 is for create and IW22 is for change. Okay, how this particular thing this will open means some program will be written in the backend. Correct. Where that program will be written? That will be written over here. Program, you can call it as logic. Where it will be written? That will be written in application layer. Understood? Got the point?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what is this database layer then? Example, say see something has been saved. Correct?
Yeah.
Some number has been generated. I'll keep this number over here for the reference purpose. Okay. Yeah. Now what happens after like few, I want to check that. I'll go for this. See, again, this has been opened. Correct.
Yeah.
I want to retrieve this data. I want to check that data, which is in memory, where this data will be saved. Where this data will be saved? That will be saved in here, database layer. You can tell it data storage. Okay, or retrieve. Understood? This particular layer, okay, is used for graphical user interface, and application layer. This is used for your programming, logic, everything. It will be written what needs to be done. Okay, here your data will be storage. Okay, data will be stored. You want to retrieve the data or store the data. Okay, you understood these three layers? This is the concept that is called like 3-tier architecture. I'll show you over here. Okay, what is your presentation layer? This graphical user interface. I'll put it over here and I'll mention for your better understanding, I'll put it as presentation layer. See, when I'll execute this IW22, okay, this is your presentation. What it will show? See, this presentation layer it is showing. Okay, it will present whatever you will ask. from where you are going to ask this. See, provides graphical screen to the user. User enters data on the screen. Just now we entered IW21, 22 for example purpose. Shows processed data to the user. Okay, and it showed me the processed data. What is your processed data? This is the processed data. From where it shows when user enters the data, what it wants to process it. See here, what was there? Process data using application logic. There was some logic written in the backend. Okay, and now see, communicate with the both the layers. Certain data was there. It has to take the data, right? It has to show what was the data. All these things are the data for me. Okay, from where it is taking the data. See, from the database layer. See, stores and provides the data. When you request the data from the database, then it gives this data to you. This is the layer, which application layer? This is the layer. It will communicate with the presentation layer, and it also communicates with the database layer. Yeah, understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, these three are like important thing.
Okay, they go hand to hand.
Yes, exactly. Okay, if any usage, like you cannot see this screen properly. Okay,
Yeah.
there is something happened for the screen. Okay, there will be a GUI team who supports it. GUI team. Okay, for the SAP installation, all those stuff.
Okay.
They are there. Okay, certain things like here you're not able to do certain things, like again functional consultants comes into the picture. They will help. Understood? Yeah. Now
Yes.
we'll go with the maintenance terminologies. What are our terminologies? Can you please tell what is like maintenance means?
You mean keeping the planning running?
Okay.
Right?
Why you want to do the maintenance?
Because you don't want money, right? Money costs. You don't want to break. You want to keep machines running, so improvement, right? So you don't have a long-term problem later on.
Okay. Example, say like if I ask you to tell a one single sentence, then what will be your answer?
One single sentence of why we do maintenance. Oh, that's a really good one. I don't know. I'll have to with you to answer that.
Okay. Why you are going for the inspection?
Inspection to make sure the maintenance is up to date for safety. You
Okay.
don't want you don't want to
Okay. In interview, if they ask like, can you name certain maintenance terminologies, then you should tell all these things: maintenance, inspection, in repair and improvement. Okay. And why you're going for the repair thing?
Why you going for repair?
Yes.
To keep money. You want it to keep going. You want it to run back smooth.
No, I'll give one hint. Like concentrate on a particular. You take certain equipment. Okay. One equipment you consider. Example, say like which equipment you are familiar with.
A pump.
Pump. Okay, fine, good. Go ahead with the pump. Yeah.
So,
why you want to do the maintenance of a pump? Why you want to inspect the pump? Inspection. Why you want to repair the pump? What are the improvements for with respect to the pump? Can you explain now?
Yes, I think I could. So for a pump, you want to do inspection on it because you wanted to make sure the pump is up to date, that doesn't have any problems.
No, that is the result of it. You are worried about the result.
So inspection you want to inspect it so that to make sure it's working.
Yes, we'll come to this point. See, now what happens? Why you want to do the maintenance? To maintain the target condition of an object. What is your target condition of your object? Pump. Example, say some 50 meter cube per hour, it should give output. You will ensure with that maintenance, it gives like 50 meter cube per hour. That is your target, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Why you want to do the inspection? Example, say you got a car, you'll go and inspect and come. What you are going to inspect it? You determine that actual condition of an object, correct?
Yes.
You go and check that. What is the temperature of it? What is the blow? Okay, pressure. What is the
Yes.
fuel level of it? Okay,
Correct.
whether like steering is proper, whether like car is maintained properly or not, whether cleanliness, everything will check. With respect to
Oh,
your pump, whether it is like oil, is there any leakage in that? Okay, all like bolts are tightened or not? Okay,
yes.
all those things. That is for the purpose. Okay, output of it, output you want to carry out certain like you want to tighten the bolt. That is like output of it. Inspection is you will determine the actual condition of an object. Okay, repair, what you want to do. Repair means simple, you want to restore the target condition of an object. Earlier, like what it was there, maintenance. Why you want to do the maintenance? You want to maintain the target condition. Now again, you want to restore it to the target condition. You want to repair. Now pump is not working. You want to make it like a working condition. It has to give like output of 50 meter cube per hour. That is your target. It could be like plus or minus 5% or 10%. That is fine. Different thing. You understood the meaning, exact meaning of it?
Yes, I do.
Okay. These are the terminologies we'll be using hereafter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Improvement is the like you want to increase the reliability, you want to increase the safety of that equipment. Okay. It's an ongoing job.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, what is your overview of plant maintenance overview? Why we are going for this plant maintenance means automated recording of maintenance works and equipment history. Okay. Without this softwares, don't think about like SAP. You think like there was no software to record anything. Then how we used to record the plant maintenance activities earlier, conventional method? You got any idea?
No.
No. Normally you write in the book, logbook, correct?
Yes.
Handwritten,
Correct.
or you want to record all those things in an MS Office, Excel sheet.
Yes.
Yeah. Now a software has come up. What is that software? That is like plant maintenance module in SAP. There you got an opportunity like to record automated record of maintenance works and equipment history. We can have an history of it. Example, say some 10 equipments are there. It is easy to like maintain in an Excel sheet also. Okay, no need to invest like so much of money. Okay, we can like have an Excel sheet and maintain it. If so, example, say some lakhs of instruments are there, millions of examples, say like millions of equipments. How do you maintain the history? You require a software.
Right.
Okay, you want to upload all those data, then only we can have an equipment history, correct? With this software, we can have an equipment history. And another one thing, you can do it like online and real-time update of maintenance costs integrated with finance and control module. Okay, this like SAP became famous because it got a strong integration with other modules. Okay, in coming
Okay.
classes, like we'll discuss, that is one thing is we can have an cost of it because it got an FICO module integrated with that. You have given example of real time, correct?
Yes.
Yes. How many maintenance engineers are there in your plant?
Maintenance engineer?
Yeah,
A lot.
lot, correct? So many
Yes.
people will be working online with the SAP.
Yeah. Yes. Everybody be sharing.
Yes, everybody will share like all those data. Like everybody's data will be updated real time.
Real time. Yeah.
Okay, you do it.
I'm doing piping. Like my job that I'm applying for is a turnaround planner. So
Yeah.
on the piping side.
Okay. Yeah, yours like a data, whatever is there, you do it. Example, say Jama will do it like that is also updated on real time. Another one person will be doing that is also real time. You can check his data and he can check like yours data. Okay, whatever you entered, everything is like online and it is real time update, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, and it got like integrated material master data with Okay, what is this like material master data with Okay, all the materials to carry out any maintenance, you require material, correct? Components.
Yeah. Yeah.
That should be available in the system.
Correct.
Okay, that who uploads that material like components in the system? team will upload that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here like SAP PM master data. What is this like SAP PM master data? This is most important thing. Okay, master data.
Okay.
Okay, in interview they'll ask, can you explain about the master data, SAP PM master data? First, like let me give an example. You joined when you joined the company, your company.
Who, me?
When you joined your company, where you
When
are
did I
working.
join? I joined them about 4 years ago, but now
Okay.
I want to move
Example
up now.
say,
So that's some.
yeah,
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. Example say 2018, correct?
Okay.
What
Yeah.
details like you have provided to your company while joining for the HR, your manager?
My qualification, my schooling.
Yeah, we'll go like
Experience.
we'll go a bit. Okay, name, you have provided your name, qualification, then
My ticket.
ticket.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is my schooling. I had to finish school to get my ticket.
Okay,
So
fine, no issues. You might have provided where do you stay, correct?
yeah, address. Yeah.
Address, yes.
Bank information.
Yeah, some bank details, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now like I'll go with this. Your name is example say Chama. Okay.
Yeah.
Your qualification say this. Okay, something like that. Okay. I'll give for the example purpose.
Okay.
Okay, these are the details
Okay.
provided. Okay.
Yeah.
You will be having some employee code, some number, unique identification number given by your company to you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That I'll mention it as your employee ID, identification number.
Correct.
Correct?
Correct.
Yes. These details like it is with you. Okay. And next with these details, then I can search with this ID. I can search your attendance, correct? I can
Correct.
track your attendance. Yeah.
Yeah.
And your
Yeah.
manager provides your performance
Yeah.
based on this, okay, unique ID, because like so many people will be like with the same name, correct?
Yes.
Jama. Okay, with your employee ID, you can track your attendance, okay, and performance, all those stuff. So many things are there. Okay,
Correct.
whether, yeah. Now these details, whatever are there, okay, to the HR, you're going to provide it. Okay, what those details are called? Those details are called master data. Whether these details changes frequently, whatever you have provided,
No.
whether your name changes frequently, whether your qualification changes, whether your ticket changes, whether your address of course it may change sometimes,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
not on frequent basis, not on periodical basis, correct?
Correct.
This remains the same way. I'm coming back to your plant maintenance thing. What are your master data? You want to perform in maintenance and you want to record all those stuff in the SAP software. Then what master data you require? Any idea? Just guess.
What master data is required?
What data is required to record your activities?
My activities, my
See, example,
performance.
say you have joined your company, correct?
Yeah.
For your attendance and performance, what all details they require? HR people, they require all these details.
Yes.
Okay, then only they can provide you this employee ID.
Yes.
Then only you can put your attendance.
Correct.
Then only they can provide you performance. Without these details, how can they'll provide to you? There is no such identification, correct? If there is
Correct.
no identification, then how can they provide you, how can they pay your salary without this details, bank details, without your name, without your this ID? How can they pay a salary to you?
Correct.
Okay, they should pay, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Means first of all, these things should be there in system. Then only they can pay you. The same way, when you are going to perform any maintenance activity and you want to record in SAP
Yeah.
software, then
Yes. Yeah.
what details you require?
I need the equipment name. I need
Exactly.
location.
I'll go with this. Correct. Equipment you require. Correct.
Yeah.
Then
Locations.
yes, I'll go with the step by step and I'll explain you.
Yes.
First, you require work center. What are those work centers? Means work center means a group of people
Yeah.
who carry out the job.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
First, you require that. Who does this? Okay.
Yes.
Example, say some group of people. Okay, I have to
Yeah.
create a work center. Means in
Yeah.
system, there should be
Yeah.
an work center first of all.
Yes.
And where you are performing that, where that particular pump is located, means that is called functional location, where it is functioning it, where that
Yeah.
pump functions and what is the location of it. Okay,
Correct.
that is a location you require in your system. Then
Okay.
equipment, exactly like as you said, pump, motor, transformer, different things.
Yes.
Okay, that. And next, if any sub equipments are there. Okay, small equipments, I can say like for the motor, there will be a fan. Okay, assembled with it. Correct?
Correct.
Yeah, for big some turbines, there will be a governor thing that it will be a sub equipment for the turbine. Correct? The same way,
Yeah.
here it will be a sub equipment. And another one is called like serial number.
Okay.
Okay, what is the serial number? Serial number, it means it helps you a lot. Like in mobile, how do you identify your mobile with the, some others mobile of the same model?
My number.
Your number, correct?
Yeah.
Serial number of it, unique number
Yeah.
of it. Okay, the same mobile like of some millions will get manufactured. Correct?
Okay.
How
Yeah.
they differentiated?
I see.
Through your serial number.
Oh.
The same way in equipment, example say that you got like some 10 pumps. How do you differentiate it? Some 10 pumps of same specifications. How do you differentiate it? Through serial number.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Next, same characteristics. Class and characteristics. What are those like this class and characteristics? Any idea? In future classes, like I'll explain in detail. Don't worry. Example, say, can you tell about the characteristics of your pump?
Yeah. What is it? What is it for? What does it use? What's the job is performing? Yes, you
No,
can tell.
I can tell. Can you tell your specifications of your mobile?
The mobile. No. Sir.
I can tell. Like, what is your screen size?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
On my
What
screen.
are the
Yes. Yes.
specifications of it?
Yes.
Screen size of your RAM, of your hard disk of it, of what color. Okay. Next, resolution. Next, camera. Different things. Correct.
Yes.
These are your specifications for, or I can call it as an characteristics for
Yeah.
your mobile. The same way, coming back to the technical thing, can you please like tell about the pump? What all the characteristics it can define your pump? Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Dude, it would be the size of it, the gasket, the the valve that goes into it, right? What else? Another one would be the color of it, right?
Color.
Yeah, so because no, we actually all them are green, blue. Another one would be the size of the bolt tops, the different bolt tops that they use.
Bolt tops.
Yeah, bolt tops like nuts and.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 I'll go with the like head. How much it can? There will be a flow of it.
Flow.
Correct?
Yeah. They had. Yeah. Correct.
Yes. How much flow? Like what is the output of it?
Yes.
Output
Correct.
flow. Yes.
Yeah. That's a big one. Yeah. That's a big one. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All this like specifications. Whether like
Yeah.
this characteristics. I can apply. This will be my class. Class is what? Pump. What are the
Pump.
characteristics of it? These are my characteristics. Values could be different. Values could be different. Example, say for one mobile screen could be like 4.5 inch, another could be 5, another could be 6. Okay, one RAM will be some 8, some 5. Example, say some 4 GB, like some 2. Okay, the values could be different. This is my mobile is my called class, and these things are called what? Characteristics. Exactly. Okay, the same over here. Okay, I can change. The values could be different, but this remains the same and can be applied for this particular class. Okay, like that there will be some like hundreds of class in a company. Okay, this is one of the master data. Next, like we'll go for the permits. What are the permits? Any idea of this permits?
Permits, hot work.
Yeah, exactly. Hard work, cold work. It's a like permission to carry out any job. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly. And that will go under, that will be okay, that will be all under the master data.
Yeah.
Okay.
Measuring points. Okay, catalogs, like I'll explain like if later. We'll go for measuring points. Okay, you want to measure certain things. Okay, I'll go for like I'll consider a example for the car. What and all you can measure with respect to the car?
Sorry?
It's in vehicle.
Speed. Yeah.
Speed we can measure. Temperature we can measure. Okay. Fuel capacity or fuel consumption. Sorry, fuel consumption we can check daily basis. Correct?
Yeah.
Air pressure we can check. See, these are the measuring points for this particular car equipment. Same way, what we can measure with respect to the pump.
Right.
Yeah, if it is an equipment, what and all we can measure. Example say same again, like temperature, next flow, next running hours of this pump, all those stuff. Correct? Here also, here coming to this running kilometers, we can check. Correct? This is related comes under measuring points. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Revision. Okay, this is also one of the master data. This also will discuss. If I explain now, you may not be understanding, but we'll like discuss it later stage. Okay, you understood these are the master data. What are the master data?
Yes.
Okay, in interview they'll ask, can you explain about the master data? These are the master data. Okay. And this data doesn't change frequently.
It doesn't change.
There will be an addition to it. Okay, there will be new things coming up. You can add it like new things, but existing thing doesn't change frequently. Okay, example, say in your place, like another employee comes and join the company. Okay, again, like he gives the same details, whatever it is required. But these details, whatever the details given by you or him, it doesn't change periodical basis.
Okay. Yes? So, yes. So revision on the last part of revision, does that have a code itself?
It's got?
Yeah. Is there a code for that?
Code.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like is it? Okay.
Yeah.
I was reading somewhere.
Revision, what happens, like it is a bit of transaction, like there will be shutdown. You're aware of it?
Yes, I think I read some stuff about it. It's it's a revision,
like date kind of thing. Example, say you want to take a shutdown from today.
That's what I do. Shutdown. That's what I do. That's a perfect example.
Yes. See, from 3 October 2022 to 15 October 2022.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this is my date. I will carry out my shutdown from this date to this date, and I'll create a code for this. I will call as October shutdown.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
What is this called? This called revision.
Revision.
And
Okay.
I am using this particular revision over here. I'll show you.
Where did he go? Okay. You want to? Okay.
Show the SAP for you.
Okay. SAP. Yeah.
Yeah. Where I'll
Okay, so
use
you
it.
okay. So that's a code for what? And IW31.
Yeah, IW31. Yes.
Okay.
See here, there will be a revision. I am using this particular revision over here. Then this will be associated with respect to this. Then I can track the number of orders generated with respect to this. Will be okay. How many orders created against this particular October shutdown? I'll come to an example, say some 10 orders. In this 10 orders, this particular revision will be mentioned over here. It will be linked to that, so that I can track these 10 orders and I can track the cost of it. Okay, that is why the revision will be there. If I explain now, you don't understand.
Okay.
So like just like brief, I'm telling about.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I'll take certain terminologies and I'll wind up the class. Yeah. Those things are called this plant, maintenance planning plant, and the planner group. Are you aware of the what is plant?
Yes, the plan that you're working on, right? With
Yes.
oil and gas.
Yeah. In logistics, a plant is an organizational unit for dividing an enterprise according to production, procurement, maintenance, and materials planning. Okay, it could be like, see, production. If there is any production takes place, any product is getting manufactured, you can call that place as a plant. And procurement, what do you mean by procurement? You are purchasing certain things. Okay, you are purchasing any materials, you can call that place as a plant. And maintenance and materials planning is taking place, means certain maintenance is going on over there. That particular place is called a plant. Okay, a place where materials are produced or goods and services are provided. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that is also called as plant. What is your maintenance plant then? A plant in which an operational systems are installed is called the maintenance plant. Can you tell certain operational systems installed in your plant?
New piping, new pumps.
Pumps.
Yeah, pumps, new pipes.
Pipes.
Exchangers.
Exchangers. Good.
Yeah. New tanks.
Tanks. Okay.
Yeah.
See
Yeah.
where these things are got installed.
Yeah.
Okay, plant in which the operational systems are installed is called the maintenance plant. Okay, you can call it as maintenance plant because you are maintaining all these things, you are performing the maintenance.
Correct.
Okay, in the plant, the maintenance plant for a technical object, it will come like function, location, and equipment. I explained you these two things are called like master data. Okay.
Yeah.
Where these things are installed. Okay, is the plant at which it is installed. Means if function, location, and equipments are installed, that is called your maintenance plant. Okay. What is this maintenance planning plant? A plant in which maintenance tasks are planned and prepared. Okay, you want to perform maintenance for these pumps, pipes, exchanges, tanks, etc.
That's what I will be. That's what I will be doing. I have to prepare all that stuff. That's what I'm planning for a job to prepare down. To become a planner.
Planner. Okay, that's good. That's good. Means where do you sit? Where you sit and perform this planning? Thus, that particular plant is called maintenance planning plant. Okay, in SAP.
Okay.
Yeah, plant in which maintenance tasks are planned and prepared. These tasks can relate to technical objects in your plant or in other plants. You can sit in one plant and you can plan for another plant of your same company. Okay. Yeah. And a group of employees responsible for planning and processing maintenance tasks in a plant. They are going to planning and process that maintenance tasks in a plant. That is called, group of people is called planner group. Okay.
Okay.
These things. We'll see these things in practically in next session, where you are going to use see here planner group, okay, and where you are, this is your maintenance plant, okay, all those stuff like we'll see in next class, equipment, function locations or master data. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
So for my case, I'm for what I want to learn is the planning side, the turnaround planning, right?
Yeah.
That's one of the job I'm applying for to hope to get. So my job requires me to have to plan
Planner.
the job, write down, to receive. I have to receive notification, then go down and go walk the job and write down what I need, right? Then come back
and perform the job. And
yeah.
And here like you learn little bit more. Okay, if any issues in your notification, okay, example say here you face some certain issues, you can do a configuration also. Okay.
Okay.
Configuration settings also, like I'll teach you.
Okay.
Okay. Not only this, like many other roles also. You can become a consultant. You can become a functional consultant.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, and how to create like notification, how to create an order, how to plan your activity as a maintenance planner, what is your roles and responsibilities, how to prepare a task list.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's specific. That's what I want to get into because that's what I'm applying for a job.
Yes, how to prepare a maintenance plans. Are we aware of this maintenance plans?
Yeah, maintenance. No, I'm not, but I need to learn it.
Yes, I'll teach that also.
Okay, and would I have access to the computer that I'm looking at right now, the SAP? Would I have access to on my laptop on that?
Yes, you will be having that and access to it.
To that.
Yeah. To this SAP, right? This software.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sure. We'll be sharing to you soon.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Our person will coordinate with you for your this access.
Okay. So then what else do I need? Do I need Windows? What do I need?
Windows you need. Okay. Windows software with your RAM. What is your RAM of your laptop?
My RAM. Hold on, I'll tell you. It's about a new laptop.
Can you check like if it is more than 4 GB or 6 GB, it will be good.
Yeah, it's good. It's more than 4.
More than 4, then it's sufficient for you.